ng shiso with sasami. Chicken sasami. And I mix the tempura also, the cabbage. Ayan. Ayan sa shiso. Ayan. From my garden. Leaves from my garden. Shiso ay napakasarap po niyan. Kahit na po, even you use fish and roll it, make it tempura, you cannot taste the fish. It's look like a meat flavor. Yan, that is sasami. Sasami means breast, chicken breast, no? Lower part. Yan, sasami. Sasami in Japan. Yan. Kain na, let's eat. Let's join me. Sasami with